Guys, I am going to show you how to do your bookmark. And this is my first time using Screencast-O-Matic, so hopefully I can do this right. So if you're in your modules in Canvas, maybe, there you go. It has everything that you're supposed to do this week, okay? And the last one is Bookmark. This is just a video that you can watch or not watch, but it's pretty awesome, so I'd recommend you watch. Anyway, so if you click in Bookmark, it's going to show you, and yours is going to look a little different than mine because it'll have this, and then you should be able to click on this link, and it will take you to Adobe Spark. And you should have the same kind of login, and you'll just want to continue with your Google account, and then just make sure that you log in. Okay, I think it'll automatically take you into the one I want you to be in, or the one to create a bookmark, but if it doesn't, you're just gonna, you can choose different things. Let's see if I go, it should go to post, but if for some reason it doesn't, you'll just go to this plus sign, and then you can do, it'll ask you, what do you want to do? Okay, so you'll just want to do a post, which is, it actually doesn't really matter. So whichever you want. Let's say we want to do a Pinterest post. Sure. Because the only thing is that you make a bookmark, so I don't care necessarily what you kind of do on it. But Adobe Spark is a really cool tool that we're going to use when we're creating graphics and different things. Okay, so over on this side is kind of everything that you want to do. Okay, so these are going to be kind of your styles, what you like. Obviously you're going to change the content, but it's like, oh, do I like any of this? Maybe it's like, oh, that looks pretty awesome, and so now I want this to become my bookmark. Everything is just so fast on our great Wi-Fi we have. So you'll just click it, and then it'll allow you to edit whatever you want. So I just double clicked, and I'm gonna put, but you can put literally anything. I don't care what your bookmark says, what style it's in, anything like that. I just want you to actually create one. Okay, so we're using Adobe Spark because we're going to use this again, and you're going to make a cool bookmark that I will actually print out for you that you can have. So if you want to change your font, right, you can change it to anything you want. They have really cool, if you want to add more text, if you want to add a photo from online, if you want to add your own face on your bookmark, whatever it is you want to be, you can change colors, right? I'm using one of their templates, so it gives me automatic colors, but if you want to go from scratch, you could actually do that, or you could just pick a different, oh, I'm still just pushed into that. So if I want to change the background of that. And the one cool thing, actually, let me go back into this, is it should let you, yeah, so your letter spacing. So if I wanted to do, see, and I'm going to have to actually change this if I want to have my letter spacing changed. But just, you can see, you can just play around with it, size it, all those different things. Okay, so really I just want you to be able to play around in Adobe Spark, but at the end you are going to create something that I'm going to consider as a bookmark that's appropriate, guys, that all print out, laminate, and then you can have your own bookmark that you made. Okay, so play around, look at those different things, all that kind of stuff. But the cool thing is when you're done, you're just going to click share, and then it'll say turn into Canvas. So you'll be like, yeah, I'm going to turn it into Canvas. And you'll just pick your course, you'll pick the assignment, when it loads. There you go. So, right, we'll flip down, we'll go to bookmark, and then you'll turn it in. So that's kind of how we're going to use Adobe Spark, at least for the bookmark. I want you to kind of play around, play with the templates, the design. You really can be kind of as cool and creative as you want to be, or you can be totally boring if you want as well. But hopefully that made sense. Let me know if you have any questions. I know it's a little different on your side than my side. So if you're running into anything, let me know. Okay, thanks guys.